Hi everyone, Steve from Meal Appliance. If you're watching this, you're probably thinking about or already planning a renovation. And trust me, I know that can feel overwhelming. Over the last 15 years, I've been involved in 6 stores, a warehouse, and 2 homes, including renovating a burnt down brownstone. It's been a ride full of ups, a lot of downs, and yes, a few too many sleepless nights caused by some very costly mistakes. But here's the thing, I learned a lot from those mistakes, and now I want to make sure you don't make the same mistakes as me. So we're hosting a free live webinar called Renovation Mistakes to Avoid on February 5th. It's all about helping you save time, money, and your sanity with the framework, not haphazard decisions. We'll dive into how to select the right contractor, subs, appliances, and cabinets to tackle today's biggest renovation challenges, including navigating possible tariffs and possible product availability issues. So if you've ever felt unsure where to start with your renovation or are anxious about making a costly mistake, this webinar is for you. Plus, you'll be able to ask your questions live and get real answers. Click the link in the video description to register now. Spots are filling up fast. You can do this. I'll give you the framework. See you at the webinar.